Hi there, YouTubers. This is Racer52 coming back online with more videos from the electronic workbench. Stand by.
Little message of warning. Here we have, let's see if this shows up. Warning, warning. Okay. Oh, covering up the message. Warning. Okay, you've been warned. There's some more information for you though. I ramble on and sometimes I know what I'm talking about. However, yeah, don't trust me, I might be wrong too. And seriously, please get educated on electronic safety. High voltage can kill, and the stuff I'm going to be playing with here definitely has high voltage in it. So, ooh, that's not what I want to show you. Warning, warning. Crack kills, and so does high voltage. So if you don't know what you're doing, watch your stuff, be entertained, be inspired, get educated. If you do know what you're doing, and I'm making some mistakes, chime in and let me know what I should be doing better. Like I said on the other page, right? Let me show that one again. Don't trust me, I might be wrong too. And yeah, a little knowledge is dangerous, and I am one dangerous dude. So the desk has on it right now, I got a PC screen so I can look at schematics off of my tablet. I've got a little variac back here. Hidden behind there is a switch. Well, you can't even see that in the picture, but you can see the light bulb back there. Let's see, can we zoom in a little bit more? I think we're zoomed in as far as we zoom. All right, I'm going to take it off the tripod and get you a little closer view. Flip the lens around so I can see what I'm seeing. Okay, so we have a variac. I've got a little overcurrent protection circuit. That outlet, it has a light bulb in series with the hot lead. We'll talk about that. I've got a couple of projects going on here. Got a vacuum tube voltmeter that I picked up. I've actually been working on that. I got some photos, and I'll try to make some videos of that, trying to recap what I've done. This one, little gadget back here, that'll be a project from scratch because I have not even opened that up. That's a signal generator. So look forward to having that as a video, what goes on with that. I picked up a digital multimeter and an isolation transformer. So some of the stuff is just safety gear, some of it's troubleshooting gear, some of this is projects. And then I've got some handheld test equipment, some real low resistance meter. This is for it's an ESR meter, and then a handheld capacitance multimeter, my old multimeter, which is starting to show issues, so I had to buy a new meter. And then an even cheap little multimeter. Sometimes you want to look at voltage in a couple different places at the same time, so it helps to have multiple multimeters. Yeah. Anyway, so this desk is eventually going to have a riser on it. It's out in the garage. I got to clean it up, but the riser will come up. It'll go across the top of the desk, and let's back out of this. It'll go across the top of the desk and give me a place to set my test equipment, and it has power outlets on it as well. So looking forward to that. If you want to be entertained or think you might be entertained by watching me mess up things, stay tuned. More to come. Thank you.